in my hair, making memories with my girl so rare. Cruising in our Can-Am Spyder so true, through the curvy roads in a sky so blue. Eastern PA calls with its hills so high, Western PA answers under the sky. Sun above and the open air, hand in hand, there's no need to choose, just me, my girl.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Happy Sunday.
July 25th.
We're back.
We had to take a quick ride to Massachusetts, but that was only a couple days, couple nights. Now we're back and on the road again.
Yeah. Rita drove over 1,000 miles, so excuse me if I seem a little bit itchy. But yeah, it's all good now. Back on the bike.
And as you can see, Bob and Amy are in the lead.
Woohoo!
We usually hit the open road.
So today we're off on a little adventure, Amy's Choice. We're going to the Pink Flamingo. It's a little store in Brookville, vintage store. And then apparently we're going into Cook Forest to the shops. Yeah, all I know is the Pick-a-Barrel, or Phil Pickle, There's a few shops there, I guess.
So it's going to be a relaxing day.
Yeah. You don't have to be here at a certain time and there at a certain time or place, so we're good.
It's Brookville's store that's dressed the best.
But I would like to thank our subscribers again. Because you keep coming back, you must like it. Thumbs up helps.
Leave a comment. We appreciate hearing from you.
Absolutely. Hey, you know, I have 500 subscribers over the summer. We got half. And that's cool because we didn't have half last year. And I like that. The votes are in. You're cool.
Thank you very, very much.
Absolutely.
Pass it on to your friends and just let them know if you like seeing scenery and going to little cool places. And we always go to lunch.
Yeah. But you know, we always see scenery too, so this is Pennsylvania. It's nothing but scenery and corn. Wow, look at that.
Oh, wow, look at that.
I mean, we only left for a couple of days, but things just sprung up.
Okay, we'll catch you on our next little clip. And thanks again.
Oh, grocery store.
Well, we went to check out the Pink Flamingo.
It's a vintage shop for ladies, I guess.
And in Brookville. And the sign said they were open at 11, and they weren't open.
And like I just told John, I can't even afford to window shop in that place because even a pocketbook was $75 because it was, you know, vintage. It's okay, I'll keep it drive-by.
We'll just look in the window as we drive by.
Exactly. We like to look. They change their outfits on the mannequins, I think, every week. But
otherwise, we don't know where we're going next.
No.
Ooh, big bump.
Yeah. Oh, that's okay.
Okay.
Stop with the moanings. Oh, cool.
Ooh, crazy Ivan Bob. That's all right. I don't mind.
Oh. It's an old train bridge.
Choo choo.
It's cool looking.
No train going by. Oh, look at all these old buildings.
Wow. Well, I guess Brookville has a history behind it, I'm sure.
Well,
And I think once we find out, we might not tell you. It's okay.
Another old building here. We're exploring at its best.
And we're following Bob. We weren't expecting this exploration date here.
But we enjoy it.
Yeah.
Ooh. Ooh, there's a double bridge.
Cool.
Wow. Anything else while we're here? This is a part of Brookville we've never been in. Positively no admittance. Okay.
Okay. Well, it's a lumber company. He's like us. Oh well. Choo choo. I guess it should be a train.
Should I go around again? There's Big Ben.
Yeah.
There's the Eiffel Tower. Maybe we'll go under that double bridge. I'll keep it running for a minute. Looks like it's blocked. They got big blocks in the front.
Yeah.
I guess they don't use it anymore. Oh, what's that? Oh, that's a mirror. Alright, I guess that's cool.
That's what I had at the apartment on Somerset Ave. And you could sit up there too, but it was part of the no. Yeah. Well, now they just call them observatory towers. Well, that's probably why it was there, because it is Taunton. Parker's Trading Post, Indian Trading Post. He wants me to talk more. Sorry. Christ's sakes. Yeah, I did. Here's my future husband. Here's my papa.
Let's see him. We're at the pickle barrel.
Peter Piper picked a peck of pickled peppers.
There it is. We just left the pickle barrel.
Oh, hi.
We love going to that store. There's all kinds of cool stuff in there.
Absolutely.
So I think we're heading home before the rain comes.
Yep.
It was a short ride today. Woo!
Well, exactly. It wasn't an adventuring type of day. It was more of a
Shop.
Amy wants to shop and I'm all for it.
Absolutely. So we went shopping. Believe it or not, I'm a guy who likes shopping.
Oh, well, I don't like grocery shopping. I mean, if we go to a little store, I don't mind that, but I hate grocery shopping.
And window shopping too. But
And I gotta go tomorrow. So if I don't come back, folks, go put out APB for me. I'm going to Walmart.
oh boy. So stay tuned. We'll catch you on our last clip. And thanks again for our subscribers. And if you watch this and keep coming back, don't forget to subscribe.
And thumbs up.
Yes.
Like and smack that bell.
Because most of the people that watch us aren't subscribers.
Yeah, and you know that's kind of weird because we had a sub tell us that he sees all the views, but he don't see the thumbs up either. So, you know, if one of our subscribers noticed that, come on, folks, needs more likes.
Yes.
Absolutely.
Home sweet home. Well, we went for a short ride. We went shopping.
Yours isn't short. It's not short. Any day we ride is a good day, whether it's short or long.
Okay, we went for a ride.
Whenever we ride. Okay, thank you for coming along with our ride with us today. We enjoyed it. I hope you enjoy it.
Yeah,
it is short, sorry.
So don't forget to subscribe, like, and we appreciate all our subscribers.
Absolutely.
And thanks for coming along.